Shifting gears as a means to start fresh, entering the second half of her 5-year term in office, President Park Geun is seeking to replace her health and welfare officials, both of whom came under fire for the government's lax response to the recent MERS outbreak. The president is also expected to address the nation on her plans for the remainder of her term. Our Choi You reports.
Announcing the nomination of a veteran medical doctor as the new health and welfare minister, President Park's office said Dr. Chung Chin is expected to enhance Korea's public health care and welfare systems thanks to his diverse experiences in the medical sector. First-term ruling party lawmaker and economist Kim Hyun, whose specializations in employment and welfare were also cited, has been appointed the president's senior secretary overseeing those two fields. What's interesting is that the president has selected a medical doctor to replace the current health and welfare minister who specializes in pensions. This reflects the president's recognition of the urgent need to reform and upgrade the country's healthcare system, especially in the wake of the government's failure to promptly manage the MERS outbreak. There are some thorny issues to address, however, including controversies over revisions to the national pension and health insurance systems, which may be beyond the expertise of the minister nominee. Meanwhile, as she nears the midpoint of her presidency later this month, President Park is expected to address the nation on Thursday to lay out a vision for how she plans to run the country during the remainder of her term. She is widely expected to seek public support for the 4 areas she's targeted for reform: the public sector, labor, finance, and education, and to emphasize that structural reforms are vital to job creation efforts and sustainable growth. At Tuesday's cabinet meeting, President Park talked about the so-called salary peak system of reducing salaries to hire more workers, stressing that the system is necessary to ensure everyone's coexistence and prosperity. She urged members of the older generation to give way to young people so that they too can participate in the workforce. Choi You, Arirang News.